Hello friends, I am back with an irresistible recipe made with very simple ingredients to take your taste buds for a delicious ride. Are you ready to try this light, flaky and buttery crescent rolls? I think all food tastes better when you try it from the very scratch. So let's find out the ingredients required for making these incredible rolls. Plain flour 2.5 cups. Warm milk 3 by 4 cup. Sugar 2 tablespoon. Active dry yeast 2 teaspoon. Oil 1 by 4 cup. Salt 1 by 4 teaspoon. And white compound chocolate or chocolate chips. Get a big pan for yourself and let's prepare the dough first. We will start with warm milk and please remember not to use hot milk. And sugar, then active dry yeast. Yeast feeds on sugar and it helps for perfect fermentation process. Close the bowl and let it rest for 10 minutes. This again helps the bread to rise during baking as the bubbles push the moist dough up and outward. Adding too much or too less ingredients are really going to spoil your dish. So I recommend sticking to the measurements as mentioned in the recipe. So after 10 minutes, you can see the mixture looks cloudy and bubbly. This is what we are looking for. Perfect. Next, we add a pinch of salt and oil. Stir well in one direction so that all the ingredients are thoroughly mixed. Once you are done mixing, it's time to add the flour. I have used plain flour here, but feel free to use bread flour instead. The perfect coagulation of all the ingredients will give the best dough at the end. Making the dough is the time-consuming part and rest of it is very simple. You can prepare the dough the previous day and refrigerate it. It still tastes good, but remember, when you refrigerate the dough, make sure it is brought back to the room temperature before you use it. But for best results, fresh dough is always the king. So my recommendation, make it on the same day. Now let's knead the dough and make a soft one. Apply some oil if required. Usually when I do this, I will have my music on. So for me, work becomes easier with music. We will have to knead the dough like this for a few more minutes. For me, the smile on my family's face is the ultimate gift I get for spending my time and efforts towards such unique recipes. This recipe may be time consuming, but trust me, it is worth the efforts. Most people often think the crescent roll for a croissant, but both are entirely different in their texture and taste as well. Crescent roll is made by rolling out the bread dough and shaping it like a crescent. However, the croissant, a famous French pastry, is made of puff pastry sheets. The crescent rolls are of Austrian origin. They got the name because of its thin curved shape that is thicker in the middle and narrowed to thin points at each end. Let it rest for 1 hour at room temperature. Do not forget to cover the bowl with a cling wrap before keeping it. Now our dough is ready. Next we need to knead it for around 10 minutes before we start. Let's grab a portion and start working with it. Feel free to sprinkle some plain flour onto your workplace before you start. Now we need to divide the dough into equal portions. I got 13 portions here. We will roll the portion as thin as possible using a rolling pin. Repeat the process until we finish all the portions. Now, the fun part is to apply the melted butter to each portion in this fashion and to stack all the rolled out dough like this. This is the best part of this whole recipe. I absolutely love the results I get with this special technique. Each time we do this process, we are creating lots of layers of butter and dough. Ultimately, at the end, you will get a perfectly baked flaky roll. Applying butter in this manner is called as lamination. Once you finish the process of lamination, flatten all the layers together using a rolling pin like this. Now we will divide this using a pizza cutter. You may use a sharp knife as well. Now grab a piece. Let's start making the final touches for our rolls. I have used white compound chocolate here. You may go for dark chocolate or choco chips as well. To shape the crescents, start at the wide end of a triangle. Keep the white chocolate and cut as shown in the video. We will roll our way along to the point. They taste awesome with the white chocolate filling, but if you like to add extra flavor, instead you can go for any fruits or nuts as per your choice. Do let me know if you try any unique fillings. Cover them with a clean cloth and let it proof for around 1 hour at room temperature. Give a melted butter or milk wash for the rolls and bake it at 190 degrees centigrade for 35 minutes. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for receiving notifications of my forthcoming videos. Last but not the least, enjoy your cooking and make it more interesting by trying more unique recipes. Stay tuned. Bye bye.